Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends to your Mini Militia game account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mini Militia game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start enjoying your game. Now, once you're in the home page, if you wish to add friends that you can play the game together with, then you will need to tap on the Friends tab at the right side. Once you tap on this, you will see all of the friends that have been added to your game within the Friends screen. You also have the option to invite your friends from your Facebook or your WhatsApp account. Now, if you wish to add friends that already exist within the game, then tap on the Add Friends button at the top right corner. You can then simply type in your friend's username, and when you tap on the search button, you will be able to find the username that you just typed in. Once you find your friend, just tap on the Add Friend button, and this will send a friend request to the person that you just added. Once the friend taps on the accept button from their friend request list, they will also appear within your friends page. Now, once your friend has accepted and they appear on the friends page, you can simply tap on their profiles and choose them to directly start hosting your game and play together. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on your game within Mini Militia. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.